In many parts of Nigeria, especially among our youth, there is a popular belief that success comes from who you know rather than what you know. This mindset leads to people neglecting personal development, skills acquisition, or even formal education, hoping instead for a powerful connection or a link to open doors.
Hi, my name is Kingsley Obiukwu, and I have a seat at the table. I want to believe a few Nigerians out there do believe that hard work pays off, because we have a lot of hardworking Nigerians on the street. I mean, you see them every single day. A lot of young, hardworking people still trying to get into organizations, trying to get jobs and all of that. But sadly, there has been this mindset of you have to know somebody to be somebody. I believe that with time, with the right leadership, we would get things right. Okay, so my advocacy today is about mindset rehabilitation. Why it matters is simply because if we want to get things right in Nigeria, we need to work on our mindset, the people's mindset, how we think, how we perceive success, how we perceive hard work, how we perceive Nigeria in general. Because as of this point, a lot of people have the wrong narrative about Nigeria, you know. So mindset rehabilitation is going to help a lot in putting Nigeria on the right track.